Curalona Microneedle Clear Patches are marketed as acne patches that use tiny dissolving microneedles to deliver skincare ingredients directly into blemishes. The marketing promises faster healing, reduced redness, and clearer skin, but the real question is, does it actually work? Now, to be fair, microneedle acne patches are a legitimate skincare product category. Some are designed to help deliver ingredients, such as salicylic acid or hyaluronic acid beneath the skin surface, although results can vary. What it does well: targets early pimples. Microneedle patches may be most effective on developing blemishes before they come to a head. Easy to use. Simply apply the patch to clean skin and leave it on for the recommended amount of time. Where the hype falls apart, it's not an overnight cure. Most pimples won't disappear after using a single patch. Works best on certain types of acne. Microneedle patches are generally less effective on deep cystic acne or widespread breakouts. Results depend on the ingredients. The effectiveness varies based on the active ingredients and their concentrations. So, should you buy Curalona Microneedle Clear Patches? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for targeted acne care. If you occasionally get individual pimples and want a convenient spot treatment, they may be worth considering. But don't expect them to completely clear persistent acne or replace a comprehensive skincare routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.